property that is soluble and insoluble. Let's study this property with the help of example. If I take a glass of particular water and I put a pinch of salt in it. If I put pinch of salt in it and stir for 1 minute. If I put a pinch of salt in a water and I stir for at least 1 minute, then after 1 minute this particular salt dissolved in this water or disappear in this water. Okay, let's see. If I stir this particular water with salt for a few minutes or a few seconds, as you can see, this particular salt in this water is disappeared or dissolved in it. So this kind of substance which dissolve or disappear in a water, such a substance are known as soluble in water. Okay, let's take another example. If I put a stone, as you can see, white stone in a glass of water. If I put a stone in a glass of water and if I stir this water at least for half an hour or hour, still this stone does not disappear or dissolve in a water. So some substance do not dissolve or disappear even after we stir for a few minutes. Such a substance are known as, or such a substance are insoluble in water. Okay, so let's revise it. What is soluble? Some substance which disappear or dissolve in water, this substance are soluble in water. And there are some substance which do not dissolve or disappear even after we stir for a few minutes, then this substance are insoluble in water. Okay, object may float or sink. Okay, so let's take another example. If I put a stone, if I put this stone in this water, this particular stone get sink in this water. But if I take this particular button of plastic and if I put in this water, as you can see, that particular button is floating. Let's take another example. If I put this metal tool in this particular water, this metal tool also get sink. But if I put this particular bottle cap, as you can see, this particular bottle cap float on the water. So in this way there are some object or material which float on the water, and there are some material and object which got sink. Okay, I hope you are clear with this property also.